I wake up every morning. I wake up every morning. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I drink a cup of tea. I drink a cup of tea. I open the front door. I open the front door. I put on my coat. I put on my coat. I pick up my bag. I pick up my bag. I step outside. I step outside. I breathe the fresh air. I breathe the fresh air. I walk down the path. I walk down the path. I see the bright sun. I see the bright sun. I smell the flowers. I smell the flowers. I wave to my neighbor. I wave to my neighbor. I check my watch. I check my watch. I smile at the sky. I smile at the sky. I spread butter on my toast. I spread butter on my toast. I pour orange juice into a glass. Orange juice into a glass. I eat my breakfast at the table. I eat my breakfast at the table. I feed my little cat first. I feed my little cat first. I water the plants on the shelf. I water the plants on the shelf. I open the window for fresh air. I open the window for fresh air. I check the mailbox outside. I check the mailbox outside. I read the newspaper quietly. I read the newspaper quietly. I sip warm coffee slowly. I sip warm coffee slowly. I listen to the radio softly. I listen to the radio softly. I wash the dishes in the sink. I wash the dishes in the sink. I dry the dishes with a towel. I dry the dishes with a towel. I sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I mop the floor carefully. I mop the floor carefully. I vacuum the living room carpet. I vacuum the living room carpet. I fold the warm laundry. I fold the warm laundry. I hang the laundry on the line. I hang the laundry on the line. I iron a shirt on the board. I iron a shirt on the board. I sort the mail on the table. I sort the mail on the table. I pay my bills at the desk. I pay my bills at the desk. I call my grandchildren on the phone. I call my grandchildren on the phone. I water the flowers in the garden. I water the flowers in the garden. I trim the small hedges outside. I trim the small hedges outside. I rake the leaves in the yard. I rake the leaves in the yard. I plant seeds in a flower pot. I plant seeds in a flower pot. I prune the roses by the fence. I prune the roses by the fence. I feed the birds on the porch. I feed the birds on the porch. I sweep the front porch clean. I sweep the front porch clean. I chop onions for the soup. I chop onions for the soup. I stir the soup on the stove. I stir the soup on the stove. And I season the stew with herbs. I season the stew with herbs. And I knead the dough on the counter. I knead the dough on the counter. I roll the pastry with a pin. I roll the pastry with a pin.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.